Hi guys, we're back from another video, and today, we're gonna play My Restaurant. Now I'm back to my old intro, like, hi guys, we're back from another video. But, I kinda like the yo guys, it's the new everything here, but if the comments are on, guys, can you tell me which intro you like? The yo guys didn't know everything here, or hi guys didn't know everything here. No, hi guys, we're back with video, and it's yo guys, we're back with another video. Hold on. Okay, this says hey NBA Roblox gamer, welcome to my restaurant. I'll be showing you around. Next. First you must open your Oh nice. Alright, let's get some customers first. You must open your restaurant, okay? Open. Look at your customer seating. Okay, one. Look how he walks. Stop chasing me. Look, someone save me. This weird guy's chasing me. Hurry up. Oh. What do you... She wants eggs. Oh, I don't like eggs, if you guys. I don't like eggs, if you guys are wondering. Oh, that's tacos. I don't like eggs, if you guys don't know that. Okay, yeah. Yes, nice job. First, your order. You've completed your first order. Next, sorry, I'm yawning. I just woke up a few minutes ago. Ooh, she left me some cash. And if you guys are watching, can you remember to sub to my channel, and guys, if you're watching my video, remember always to sub to my channel and Elijah's channel. You can waiter cooker. Look, for me saying that, I'm shaking. Look. Okay, you could hire a waiter or a cooker. It's always your choice. Okay, I could hire. Oh, staff. How much money do I have? I have $119. I should get Preston. Let's get Preston a cooker. Hey Preston. Hi Preston, please. Next. Preston, go cook. Preston, go cook. I'm firing you. You're fired, Preston. Okay. I'm weird. Stepping on their toes. Sub to my channel. Can you got no? No. Go. Actually, guys, just sub to my channel. My channel, please. We need 2 cookers. I need to hire some staff. My nose is itchy. Preston, you're a slow cooker. Sorry guys, my personal chef here is so a slow cooker. So if you don't get your things by 5:19, he's getting fired. I'm firing him. Okay, guys. Sorry if your food is taking too long, because we have a slow cooker here. And he is so slow in cooking. So if he doesn't get your food ready by 5:19, he's fired. He's fired. How do we get it? Click to insert. Click to insert. What the heck? I am doing it. Guys, don't look. Don't look, guys. No. No. Exit. Okay, I'm gonna pause the recording real quick. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I hadn't. Yes. And I am recording a video. Do you want to say anything to the camera? No, how do you spell it? Camera. Do you want to say anything to the camera? Shout out to this guy. Awesome. Can you sub? Can you sub? Can you sub? Can you only sub to my channel? Can you sub? Can you sub? Name YouTube. Danilo everything. Sorry, Elijah, but I have to get him sub to my channels. Shout out to sub. I'm gonna say shout out to him for subbing. Done. Okay. I asked him if he could sub. Okay, let's just continue on to the game. Okay, let me. Oh. Okay. There might be episodes for this. Going to check. Okay. Okay. $25, yay! Ooh, I got money from both of them. Ooh, ooh, I got money. Okay. Ooh, they look cute. This is my blushing moment. Please, guys, don't look. This is my blushing moment. Oh, they love my food. What the? Oh, I think he left because of a reason. I'll take your order in a second. Let me clean up. I'm gonna hire a waiter. A waiter that would be way more nicer. Okay. That guy was just the same. He probably loved my food. Take your order. Put it right here. Right here, and let me hire a waiter. Okay. Yeah, so he's probably done subbing. Yeah, thanks. Let me put staff. Let me hire. I didn't know it was $100. Okay, we hired waiter date. He takes your orders. I'll take your order. Sorry, I'll take your order. He's done. Okay, perfect. Go to a restaurant. Before the vid ends, I want to do one. Where'd I go? I went to the shop. Ooh, Electri. 150 Robux? Do I even have... No, I don't even have enough money. Oh, let's get a... No, let's don't want to share. Probably... Yeah, there's going to be episodes of my restaurant. Because I want to see you guys... I want you guys to see more of my restaurant. How's it growing? Like, from that. I have a waiter. Finally, I can just sit here and be AFK. Remember, not ending. I'm editing at 15 minutes. Ending. Hold on. Let me check if he's subbed to my channel. I should. Oh, how much money I have? I have a couple. Hold on, go. Okay, let me go watch. You're all fired. You haven't got my money yet. Give me my money. I can just sit here and be AFK. Let's see. I swear. If he didn't sub, I'm gonna be mad at him.